Here we have a question about x and y-intercepts. Our one-liner for x and y-intercepts is that the x-intercept means y is 0, the y-intercept means x is 0. We have two main ways we'd want to do this question. For the first one, we can just go ahead and plug in x equals 0 and y equals 0 for the two intercepts. So if we want the x-intercept, we said that y is 0, so we're taking the equation and we're replacing y with 0. And by the way, they said the x-intercept is the a, so whatever we get here is our a. 7x equals negative 31 divided by 7. X is negative 31 over 7, and that is what they call a. Now for the y-intercept, we're going to get x equal to 0, and so that would be 7 times 0 plus 2y is negative 31. 2y is minus 31 divided by 2, and you get negative 31 over 2. So now that is our b, because they said that the y-intercept is b. So now if we're getting b over a, that's negative 31 over 2 divided by negative 31 over 7. And we can use keep, change, flip. Keep the first one. So in other words, we'll keep negative 31 over 2. We'll change it from division to multiplication, and we'll flip the other one and make it negative 7 over 31. So now we have a 31 on the top, a 31 on the bottom. Those will cancel. We have a negative times a negative. That becomes a positive, and the answer is 7 over 2. But before we go, let's talk about the second method. It's a little hard sometimes to argue with the efficiency of using the Desmos graphing calculator in some of these situations. Here, it actually provides maybe a little added confusion that we can navigate. But the function is 7x plus 2y is negative 31. 7x plus 2y is negative 31, so that's our equation. We can see the x-intercept right here, negative 4.429. So the x-intercept, which is a, is negative 4.429. The y-intercept, which they're saying is b, is negative 15.5. And now we're doing b over a, negative 15.5 over negative 4.429. So we know that's going to be a positive, whatever you get for 15.5 divided by 4.429. So let's do that. 15.5 divided by 4.429. And we get 3.49. Now, the instinct is to maybe just convert that to a fraction so we can get the same 7 over 2. But because it rounded, it's not going to give you the same fraction. So you have to go the decimal route. Our answer is 3.499, which is obviously 3.5. And if you were unsure at this point, you could divide out 7 over 2 and confirm that it does equal 3.5. And either way, our answer is D.